Step 2. Design choices. Material thickness and edge profiles. Granite, marble, and quartz typically come in two thicknesses: 2 centimeters, which is 3/4 of an inch, or 3 centimeters, the equivalent of 1 3/16 of an inch. The 3 centimeter thickness is the most popular and usually most cost-effective. Valley View Granite regularly stocks material this size. It is generally not necessary to build up the edge profile with 3 centimeter material. Some materials, typically used in shower surrounds, fireplace surrounds, or decorative applications, can be as thin as 1 to 1.6 centimeters. Corner radius options. Corner radius refers to the degree of roundness the countertop corners will have. The larger the radius, the softer the corners will look. Overhangs and bracing. 3 centimeter natural stone can have an overhang up to 10 inches without additional support. 2 centimeter natural stone can have an overhang of up to 6 inches. To prevent tipping, overhangs cannot be longer than 1/3 of the width of the countertop. For engineered stone countertops, such as quartz, 3 centimeter material can have an overhang up to 15 inches without additional support, and 2 centimeter material can have an overhang of up to 10 inches. Valley View Granite considers a standard overhang to be 2 inches from the front of the cabinet box and 1.5 inches on the sides. Appliances. Valley View Granite sales consultants will work with you and your appliance supplier to help evaluate whether the fixture sizes and characteristics fit your project. It is important to ask about compatibility prior to purchasing your appliances. It is necessary to supply Valley View Granite the make, model number, and spec sheet of appliances that need to be cut into a counter. Drop-in cooktops will need to be on-site at the time of templating. They will be dry fit during installation. Failure to have cooktops on-site will result in delays and additional trip charges. The most common style of ranges are freestanding ranges, which have the controls on the back. They generally require a 30-inch opening, and the sides are polished. These ranges are not required to be on-site. Slide-in ranges or cooktops with the controls on the front generally require a filler piece or counter material behind the range, and may require the front of the counter to be notched. These appliances will need to be on-site at the time of installation. Valley View Granite provides 24-inch brackets for all dishwashers. Sinks. Valley View Granite stocks a variety of high-quality undermount sinks. You will be given the opportunity to specify your choice of sink material, style, and size. Stainless steel sinks are durable and economically priced. Porcelain or porcelain-coated cast iron are the most common choice for farm-style sinks. Granite composite sinks come in a wide variety of beautiful colors. Valley View Granite can even fabricate custom sinks using your countertop material. If you are providing the sinks, they must be on-site at the time of templating and placed in the correct location. Please have all farm-style sinks in their final position in the cabinet box. Prior to templating, please provide the faucet make and model number along with the number of faucet holes required and their placement in relation to the sinks. Backsplash. The most common stone backsplash is 4 inches, as it provides the best water seal where the counter meets the wall. Another good option for good water seal is to cover the wall with tile above the stone backsplash. Some choose to use only tile as a backsplash. Be aware that over time the grout seal may deteriorate as building materials expand and contract. Finally, full-height slab material is an option. This means you are using slab material from the countertop to the bottom of the upper cabinets, or approximately 18 inches high, depending on cabinet design. Plumbing and electrical, for remodels only. Valley View Granite recommends you have a plumber disconnect your sinks, disposals, and faucets before we can remove your old countertops and install the new ones. We suggest you contact licensed plumbers and electricians for your connections. If we are doing a full backsplash, we will have to remove faceplates and pull electrical outlets from the wall. If any outlets need to be moved, It is your responsibility to have them relocated before templating. Cutouts. Cutouts have a hole pierced in the middle during fabrication, after which the remnant is discarded. If purchasing by the slab, all counters and extra pieces will need to be defined prior to templating, so they can be fabricated and delivered at the time of installation. Caulking. Undermount sinks, backsplash, and counters are caulked during installation. Depending on the stone, a white or milky white translucent caulking will be used. Typically, paintable caulk is used where stone meets sheetrock, and 100% non-paintable silicone caulking is used where stone meets stone or stone meets cabinets. Please inform your sales consultant if you have any special color requirements for caulking. Caulking requires regular maintenance and may shrink over time. For those who participate in our annual stone care, caulking will be touched up as needed.